Hi, in this video I want to show you how to change some of the central settings for the POWL list applications. So what you see here is just a normal POWL list. You have these generic buttons: print version, export to Excel, also the refresh, and also per standard you can't resize the columns of the POWL list. So I'll teach you how to change some of these settings. So what you need to do is you need to go into your role and then assign a configuration to the application. Launch this, and in here assign a component configuration to the UI component. Then we'll click edit and go to the config data. So what you can see here is you can change, first of all, you can change the layout from the link to tab strip drop down. Also set the default visible row count. So for example, I change this to 30. I can disable the PDF printing and the Excel. Can also force a refresh on every time I switch a query, so every time I switch tabs. This fixed table layout means that if I enable this, then the user themselves are able to resize the columns of the list. This enable shadowing means that the same query can be opened by the same user multiple times. This is particularly useful for example, in a warehouse where the warehouse people only use one login to SAP. Query without count, so if I add this, then you won't see the count on top. Toolbar refresh button, so instead of having the refresh down in the bottom right, you can actually have it up in the toolbar as well. And then for example this new UI. So I'll save this, and then I'll go back to my POWL list and refresh. So what you see first of all is now I have default 30 rows here. You can also see the layout has changed, so now my define new query and change query, which was normally over here, is on top of my list. So new work list, change work list, so this means the queries. Also my two buttons, the PDF printing and the export to Excel, are gone, but now I have my refresh button up here instead. And lastly, it's a bit hard to get it, but you're able to resize the columns. Come on. Go. So now you can resize the columns. The only thing is that the users themselves, they need to save this, otherwise it won't be remembered. That was all I have to show you for now. If you want to have more details on what to enable, then there's this configuration link here, which shows all the various details of the options you can set. Thank you.